How to log in to Ocean credit card account online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Ocean credit card account online. To do so, you will need to visit the official website of Ocean Bank. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar here type in oceanbank.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Ocean Bank. Once you reach to this page, here in this page you will be able to see the login interface. Now here you will need to enter your username and password in order to log in to your account. Simply click on this username field and there enter your username. Once after entering your username, now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password in this field. After entering the password, you may also click on the I button at the right side of it in order to reveal and check if you have entered it correctly or not. And in case if you don't remember your password, you may also click on this forgot password link just below the sign in button, and then you will need to follow the instructions given to you in order to reset or retrieve your password. And once after doing that, enter a new password in this field and then click on this sign in button right here. Once doing that, you'll be able to log into your Ocean credit card account online. Once after logging into your account, you will be able to manage your credit card, check the balances, view the statements and make the payments. Also, if you haven't created an account yet, you may also click on this Enroll Now link at the top, and then there you will need to fill in the details in order to register yourself on Ocean Bank. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your Ocean credit card account online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.